Hi there, it's Chris Baxter from Rosenberg, Perry & Associates. I have over 35 years of experience as a former municipal prosecutor and a criminal defense and DWI defense lawyer. I've helped thousands of clients navigate the very difficult legal system when they're facing charges from the government. Today I want to talk to you about a very important topic, breath testing. If you're charged with a DWI, many times the police will try to obtain breath samples from you in order to prove that your blood alcohol level was above New Jersey's per se limit of 0.08%. Those breath samples can be damning if they're admitted into evidence and your reading is above that number. The big news is that the state is now rolling out a new breath testing machine because the old machine is obsolete. They claim that the new machine has the exact same technology as the old one. We know that's not true. Here at Rosenberg, Perry & Associates, we've been trained in the machine. We're already aware of significant weaknesses in how the machine operates, and we're prepared to cross-examine and defend any DWI case where a breath test was taken on the old or new machine. So if you have any questions and would like to discuss your breath test DWI case further, feel free to reach out. In the interim, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.